Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. We will start from the pre-chorus on 5, 6, 7, 8 and so for this part our legs are going to be like this. So right is in front and then we bend our knees and go down slightly, and our hands go up, up, up. When they're up, then we go down this way and then we look to the left. And we start on the chorus on 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. So first we go round. So for this part we have to lift the left leg like this, and our hand into fist go round like this into a circle while we lift it, and our chest goes out and then in. So out and in all together. From here we go round and move our chest. Then we clap. So for this part the right leg steps out and we clap our hands and brush the left arm. And from here we turn. So from the beginning we go round, clap and turn, 3. So for this part left is at the back, right is in the front, and we have to twirl our fingers from pinky to thumb like this, and the hip moves also. So from the pre-chorus we go up, 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 then down, face the left and round, clap, turn, move your fingers. Then on 4 our hands are at the back of our head, we don't move, we're in one place, and our elbows join together. So from there we'll join our elbows together, and from here we go down. So for this part our hands are together in front of our chest, so we join our elbows, hands together, and our left knee goes up and then goes down, followed by our hands. Everything goes down and our hips are to the left like this, and then we go up, up. So from here we go round, round 2 times with our hips, and our hands follow to the chest, then to our forehead like this. So again, elbows up, down, round, round, forehead. Then we slowly go down. So for this part, from our hands being in front of our forehead, we bring up our index fingers and push them down with our arms stretched. So the knees are also flexed like this, and we push it down and go down too. And we close. So from here we close, bend our body, our knees and hands together like this. Okay, so from here open, close, down and round, round, slowly down and join together. From the pre-chorus again, so up, 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 down, turn to the left and round, clap, turn, move your fingers, open, close and down, round, round, down, close. We continue on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. After going down we go attitude. So for this part when we go down we go up and the left knee is up looking to the right, and our upper body is looking to the front. Left hand is on top of our waist and right hand is just sliding through our body like this. And then we go down again, but you can also go all the way down to the floor and stand up. Next we go to the part on so don't start. So in this part, after going up we're going to put our hands into fist, then open, then cross our hands and open, then release and open. So it's open, cross, open, release, open. Then we go down, all the way down, head down also. So again, from the part of attitude, down, so don't start, and down. The next part on big moves, from being down, we're going to stand up and our fist punches to the air. So the right punches first, then the left follows, and we put the right fist down like this. And we have to also lift our right leg while we're doing so. From there, we roll, roll, roll 3 times, and our hip goes front like this and moves. And we roll at the meantime. So all together, from down we punch, punch, and roll, roll, roll. We go extra large. So for this part, after rolling, we're going to make a cross next to us, but facing the left. And then we're going to slide our hands through our head like this, put them behind, and our knees, as you can see, goes open. And we continue sliding our hands through our body like this, and our knees just follow. They go open, close, open. So again, we slide our hands through our body. So from here, we go punch, punch, roll, 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 extra large, and slide. Now let's repeat again from this part, from attitude. So we go down, then attitude, down, so don't start, down, punch, punch, roll, 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 extra large, and slide. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and we continue on, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So here the left fist is next to our chest, the right hand doing the L sign, and we step once, and on the second time we bring the L sign from the right to the front, and our elbows also move. So we step and slide the L sign. Left leg goes to the back, and we lift the right up and move our hip. Then right goes down, left up. In this position, we shake our hips, then left down, right up. But instead of shaking, we have to clap in the back. We clap like this. So again, shake, down, shake, clap. So from the beginning, we go step and slide, shake, step, clap, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So for this part, we have to step with the right leg to the back, facing the back. But I'm going to explain everything in the front view so you guys can understand better. So from here, we step, then we tap our head, we slide down. Let's repeat one more time. So we step, then tap our head, slide down, and move. So for here, we have to move our butt, we have to bend our knees. Okay, then we go up again, and our hands are at the back of our head like this. And for this part, we have to stretch our arms out and bring them to the middle. So they go up, down, down to the middle like this. And your head is looking up to the sky. So like this, we go down, and we have to also bend our knees. So we go slide down, move our butt, go up, slide, slide, look up, and you clap at the end. So from here, you have to clap down. So you go down and clap. Let's repeat again from here. We step, tap, go down, move your butt, go up, look to the ceiling, and clap. So let's repeat from this part. So we step, slide, shake, down, down, clap, tap, down, butt, up, sky, clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is also from the back view. So after we clap, we have to go up like this, legs joined together, hands on top of our hips, and we move, okay, to the right first. We step 2 times and then step 2 times again to the left. And while we step, we have to be looking to the right first. So step, look to the right, and step, look to the left, like this. Okay? So from the back view, we clap, go up, and step, step, and step, step. From there, we turn. This part is freestyle. I'm going to copy JENNIE. So here, you have to cross your arms like this in front of you and then do the L sign with your 2 fingers. So you cross and do the L sign. So from your clap, step, step, and step, step, turn around, cross, and extra large. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.